So let's talk about the value of including diverse perspectives in STEM education. First, including diverse perspectives in STEM education can contribute to improving the persistence and success of underrepresented groups in STEM. Research suggests that some students from underrepresented groups abandon STEM studies because they do not see the relevance of the material in their introductory courses and long for something more than rote memorization. This was first highlighted in the seminal work by Sheila Tobias titled "They're Not Dumb, They're Different." In this book and study, she explored how capable students from underrepresented groups fared in introductory STEM courses. Participants in the study reported their experiences through interviews and in surveys and essays. And they found the courses to be unsatisfying and unwelcoming. As written in the book, they hungered, all of them, for information about how the various methods they were learning had come to be, why physicists and chemists understand nature the way they do, and what were the connections between what they were learning and the larger world. The readings for this unit include examples from chemistry and biology that can be used to provide these connections to students and to potentially encourage the persistence and success of underrepresented groups in your courses. The second rationale for including diverse perspectives involves global citizenship. STEM students will eventually be members of a global marketplace. In order to solve the scientific and engineering challenges of the 21st century, one needs to be aware of the diverse cultures of diverse geography. The interviews from this segment will highlight the importance of global citizenship in the diverse fields of food science and engineering. And we'll hear some wonderful examples of the importance of this global citizenship. The third rationale for including diverse perspectives in STEM and STEM education involves the social impacts of STEM. Science and engineering efforts have social consequences and are impacted by social forces. It is imperative that STEM education helps students understand how scientists and engineers impact society, and in turn, how their own identities affect how they approach their work. Diverse perspectives must be included to account for these differences. Improved awareness in efforts such as the development of pharmaceuticals and medical treatments, outreach programs for underserved populations, environmental impact studies, and diverse perspectives on research involving sex, ethnicity, and race must be accounted for. We will hear from a historian of science about some examples of how society and science intersect and how she uses that to incorporate diverse perspectives into her courses.